Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you my brand new Dream Up Plans digital planner. I'm super excited to show you guys this flip through. I'm going to flip through the entire planner so that you see all the things that are included when you make this purchase, and I'll also be linking it down below in the description bar. So as you can see, we have a full planner. It has plenty of things for you. It has an overview, it has budget, it has journaling, it has wellness, it has vision board, and it has a place for quick notes. It also even has extras pages. So please stay tuned to this video. I have a lot to show you, and I just cannot wait for you to get this planner. Also, this planner comes in both a vertical view and a horizontal view for your weekly pages. Okay, so let's take a look at the monthly pages. So each month looks pretty much the same. You have all your boxes so that you can write all your information in them. You have a Monday start date, and you have 3 boxes at the side, as well as a little notes part at the side. If you click on each of those little bubbles, it will bring you to a daily, and these banners will bring you to the weekly pages. This is very similar to my other neutral rainbow planner. So if you are familiar with those links, you'll be also familiar with these links. Okay, so as you can see, I clicked on the bubble, and this is the daily page. So it has a lot of things for you, and when you click on that top part, it will bring you right back to the monthly view. And this is the same for each and every single month. If you click on the daily, it will bring you right back to your monthly view, just like that. A new addition to this planner is the budget, and this is a monthly budgeting page. You get a look at your expenses and each of the things that you want to budget, all your bills, your savings, your income for that month. Everything is all in one place when you click on that little dollar sign. So as you can see, you will have a place to write in all the important information that you need for the month. Now let's look at the weeklies. So this is the vertical view for the weeklies. As you can see, we have a time from 5 to 12 a.m. so that you are able to write as much as you'd like for that weekly. You also have a space where you can write for the week, the days, and you also have a hyperlink there that also brings you back to the monthly. You also have 3 to-do sections. Now you can name them whatever you'd like, personal goals, monthly goals. That is up to you. As with all my planners, when you click on the middle shadow, it will bring you back to your index page. And the index page is what has your 5 individual notebooks, and you can name them whatever you'd like, and they come each with some note paper. And that middle shadow works throughout the entire planner. Now let's take a look at the top right corner. This is something called quick notes. It's something that I've added because sometimes I find myself needing to write a quick little note and I don't know where to write it. So just having that little option right at the top corner, and it's in each and every single page so that you can get to it wherever you are in the planner and write in your notes. Next, let's take a look at overview. Now you have a little section for all your months if you want to do a tracking system there. It's all going to be in this overview section. You have a place for your goals, your schedule, birthdays, meal planner, and even chores. And I'm so excited to show you all of these templates. They're so pretty, so cute, and they really get you motivated to write out all your dreams, your goals, your plans that you have for the year of 2020 and 2021. So I'm just going to show you how I use this goals page. You can draw little arrows and you can just write in your goals with these arrows, or you can use the other page where it has inspiration, your goal, and also the action steps. You also get a schedule page with this planner, and you can write in from the time of 4 a.m. to 12 a.m. so that you have a full amount of time to write all the schedule for every single day. You have a birthdays page. The smaller line you can write the date, and the longer line you can write the name of the person, so that you have lots of room to keep track of all the birthdays throughout the year. So next is the meal planner. The meal planner is really special because you can write in each and every single meal that you have, whether it is for tracking your health, tracking your diet, or it could just be meal planning, just making sure you have enough food for whatever days, and you have all the ingredients needed at the side, just to keep track of that. I've also included a chores section so that you can write in your seasonal chores, daily chores, bi-weekly chores, and you can even bubble them in, check them off to make sure that they're done. The next page next to it is dotted. So let's head over to the budgets tab. You can keep track of your monthly budget, and each of the monthlies you can track and goes back to that monthly page that I showed you earlier. So each of them is hyperlinked so that you can go back to that month. As you can see, we're in November now. You also have a yearly bills, your savings, your expenses, your goals, and your budgets page. Each of them are really to help you manage your finances better and to really keep track of everything going on in your finances. This goals page, you can write down your finance goals, things that you want to accomplish, and you just have that nice separate space for everything that you need right in that budgets tab. So I'm just showing you now how all the links work. You just go back to the budgets tab, you click on the one that you need, and it will bring you straight to that page. You can duplicate these pages as much as you'd like anywhere in the planner. If you want it after your monthly, you can place it there. I do have a video on that if you want to know how to do that. It's called How to Use Goodnotes. I will link it down below in the description. Now let's take a look at the journaling tab. So it has a divider, and it has 2 ways that you can do your journaling, and also you have a wellness tab. This tab also has a divider, and this is the page that comes with it. So you have a wake up, exercise, water, mood, energy, breakfast, lunch, dinner, bedtime, lots of different things to really track your wellness. And it also has another page of gratitude. So if you want to add that as well, anywhere within the planner, you can do that. You also get a visions board section. I love having vision boards, so I had to add that in. It also has a divider, and the next page is blank so that you can duplicate them as much as you want. You also have extras pages with the large lined paper. You have the smaller lined paper. You have the dotted pages. You have the journaling pages that are separate journal pages, as you can see. It comes with this little Polaroid page where you can keep your memories for like memory keepsakes. This is also good for journaling. It has little to-do sections or lists with blank sections at the side. You have complete to-do sections. You have 2 sections of lines, or 2 columns, I should say, of lines. You also have a section of lines, and the other column would be blank. And you have, of course, the graph paper, the little squares. You also have a graph, so if you want to track anything by graphing it out, you can do that. You also have an extra budgets page if you want to add other things to your budget. You have a mood and habits tracker. For 31 days, you can track it for each month. You can add this in any month in your planner. And something new that I've added was mornings with Jesus. You can write your inspiring verse, your worship music, your gratitude, focus, notes, and the other page is dotted so that you can write anything you'd like. You can add stickers, you can draw, so that you just have that option. And of course, you have blank paper as well. Okay, so that's basically the entire planner. It's filled with tons of extras, tons of things that you need on a daily. Now let's just take a look at the horizontal planner. It's basically the same. The only difference is that the weekly is a horizontal view. So I do have that for you. If you prefer a horizontal weekly, you do have that option in this one. So this is what it looks like. And of course it starts from Monday until Sunday. You have a little box with lines and a box at the side for pictures or stickers, whatever it is that you want to add. And just like the other one, when you click on the monthly, it brings you back to that view. Everything works the same. The quick notes works the same. The line in the middle, the shadow in the middle allows you to move to your index page. All right, now let's take a look at the stickers. These stickers are going to be available for anyone who purchases this weekend. They're absolutely free. They're a freebie. You get these see-through stickers, the transparent stickers. You get little title stickers. You have little hearts. You have little blurbs. And you get some really cool doodles that I created just for this planner. So just to get you started, if you are a new planner user, new digital planner user, you do get these stickers to go along with it. So I'm just demonstrating how I'm using it. Once again, I'm going to refer to my how to use Goodnotes video. If you don't know how to use stickers, if you don't know how to copy and paste stickers, that is going to show you all the things, all the tips and tricks that you need to know to be able to use Goodnotes. And for those of you who have been following me on YouTube, I thank you so much. It is my pleasure to make all these beautiful and wonderful planners. I absolutely love making them, and I love creating videos on them. I want to know, leave in the comments below, what kind of video that you would like to see more of on my YouTube channel. I have videos where I can create weekly views, layouts with stickers. I can do the same thing with the monthly view. I can do the same thing with the daily view if that's what you want to see. Let me know in the comments below what kind of videos that you would like to see on this channel, or even informational videos on how to use iOS 14 with the Goodnotes app. I also can use Note Shelf, Notability. Those are the apps that I actually purchased already. So if you do want videos on that too, I can do that as well. So also write about that if you want to see me using other kinds of applications. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm super happy to have you in the family. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the fam. And also like this video for so much more. It helps me out a lot. And this video shows up in other people's feed when you like this video. So thank you so much for liking it. Also, please subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so that you get notified every time I make a new video. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.